Pizzoccheri alla Valtellinese. Ingredients. To make pizzoccheri alla Valtellinese for 4 people, you need 250 grams of buckwheat flour, 150 grams of 00 flour, 100 grams of Savoy cabbage, 700 grams of peeled and diced potatoes, 1 garlic clove, 75 grams of butter, 1 sprig of sage, 60 grams of Valtellina casera cheese, 10 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Method. First of all, mix the 2 types of flour in a large bowl and slowly add the water until a dough starts to come together. After flouring a work surface, knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Wrap in cling film and leave to rest for 1 hour. Next, divide the dough into 2, roll it out and cut into bands. Make sure the pasta is dusted with enough flour, then pile it up and slice into short ribbons. Cover the pasta with a cloth to prevent it from drying out. Bring a large pan of salted water to the boil, then add the potatoes and the pasta. Cook for 5 minutes before adding the cabbage strips. Cook for another 3 minutes until the potatoes and cabbage are cooked and the pasta is al dente. As the pasta and vegetables are cooking, heat the butter in a frying pan until foaming and saute the garlic and sage leaves until golden. Drain the cooked pasta and vegetables and place in a serving dish. Add some small pieces of Valtellina casera and grated Parmesan cheese over the top. Pour over the hot garlic and sage-infused butter, which will melt the cheese. Season and serve immediately.